At the direction of the city attorney, we were going to be placing him on paid administrative leave. Obviously, he was not happy about it. He had made a statement referencing where's the loyalty.
He asked you where the loyalty is with the, what, the department?
That was my assumption.
Okay.
And then went on to explain what his real intentions were in the message.
Did he say something to the effect of he couldn't believe this was happening over a text message?
Yes.
And so he's placed on administrative leave, but at that point in particular, did you actually interview him that day?
No, that was not the actual interview. That was just the administrative leave day.
So he was scheduled to be interviewed at a later time, right?
Correct.
Now, did he, other than reacting, saying he's displeased, in fairness to Officer Bernhardt, did he also make some claim that the situation was not understood, right?
Yes, he was trying to explain what was he really meant by the messages.
What? I'm sorry, you kind of trailed off there. What was his defense to the allegation?
That he didn't mean what, it was taken out of context, basically.
And even though that particular day you didn't do an interview, you still did a report documenting what you just described, right?
Yes, sir.
Ending in 4. Was that report?
Yes, sir.
So you scheduled Officer Bernhardt to come in again on November 6th.
Yes, sir.
Did he come?
He did.
What was the goal? What was the kind of the agenda here?
To advise him of his rights and as well as confirm what was in the report from the third-party company.
And when you say confirm what was in the report, during the investigation by the third-party company, it's your understanding Officer Bernhardt is interviewed?
Yes, sir.
And he gave a full account of his version of the story, right?
Yes, sir.
And it also, it sounds like, it looks like from that report, Exhibit 3, Officer Wilson was interviewed.
Correct.
And he gave a full account of his version of what happened, right?
Yes.
Did you review the content from Exhibit 3, that report, with Officer Bernhardt to cover what it was that it said?
I did.
Did you essentially read it to him?
Yes.
Did he confirm its accuracy?
He did.
Did you offer him to an opportunity to correct any inaccuracy or make changes?
Yes.
Did he?
No.
And this interview on November 6th, that's recorded?
Yes, sir.
How is that recorded?
I used my department cell phone.
And did you turn that over as part of this investigation as well?
Yes, sir.
As part of the interview process, because there was a potential disciplinary issue we were looking at, are you required to provide Officer Bernhardt with any advice of rights?
Yes.
Okay. And is that contained on any form?
Yes, sir.